EasyRobot.com. Personal robotics for everyone.
Hey there, I'm DJ Shurs. Hello world. This is an AR drone. So this is the new facto standard for flying robots. So this is normally remote controlled by your iPhone or Android. And Easy Robot with Easy Builder has just taken control of it too. Ta-da! To begin using the AR drone with Easy Builder, select Add Control, AR Drone, Movement Panel. This is the way you connect to the AR drone, so there's a connect button there. Press that, and it's going to say disconnect. That means you've connected. Next step is you're going to want to do some camera tracking. So select Camera, Camera Device, and from the drop-down list, choose the AR drone. Ah, look, that works. Hello world. So you can do a few different things while you're using the camera control. For example, you can press Configure, and you can choose whether or not you want to track it by movement, and if you want it to go forward, left, or right. And of course your motion delay. Motion delay on here is a little bit different because you're going to want to set it higher than you normally would on a servo. I set it for 200. Then you can choose your tracking method. In this case, we'll choose color. And as you can see here, it's detecting the ball. And of course, we're using the camera that's inside of the drone right now. So what you're seeing is the actual drone image. There's a lot of different ways to control a drone. You can use a joystick, a Wii controller, your speech, web server, etc. So it's all built into Easy Builder, and the actual control that controls the drone uses a regular movement panel, so you can just add the movement panel, and any scripting commands or any other control devices that control movement panels will work with the drone.